In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Smart Margin Zone in TradingView Pro. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process will be the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the middle or left side of the toolbar at the top of your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you access all the built-in and community scripts that you can add to your chart. When you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search box. This search box is the fastest way to find any indicator, especially if you know its name. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, start typing the name Smart Margin Zone. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter results and show you indicators that match your search. Take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct Smart Margin Zone script. Sometimes you may see multiple indicators with similar names, especially if they're created by different authors in the community section. Look carefully at the name and, if needed, the author, and then click on Smart Margin Zone to add it to your chart. Once you click it, you should immediately see the Smart Margin Zone indicator appear on your chart. Depending on how it's designed, it may draw zones, lines, or highlighted areas that help you understand margin or key price regions more clearly. If you want to customize how it looks, you can usually hover over the indicator name in the chart legend and click on the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, line thickness, or any inputs that the script allows, so it matches your trading style and keeps your chart easy to read. If you're using or planning to use TradingView Pro for more advanced charting features and smoother performance, remember to check the description of this video. I've included my affiliate link there for TradingView Pro. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and can sometimes give you access to special promotions or discounts, depending on what TradingView is offering at the time. And that's all you need to do to add Smart Margin Zone in TradingView Pro.